Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. I just wanted to bring you in for another quickie tutorial on water slides the way I do them on my tumblers. I have another, well, let me not cut and talk first. I have this 30-ounce tumbler, 30-ounce skinny. I prepped it by sanding it, washing it with Dawn dish soap and water. When it was dry, I base painted it with Rust-Oleum 2X in matte white. Then I did the tack it method to put on, let's see, it's called ice. It's a fine, or an extra fine. Yes, an extra fine glitter in white from the Glitter Guy. I will link everything below that I mentioned. And then after I did that, I sprayed it with Rust-Oleum 2X matte clear to seal the glitter on. And last night I did a coat of epoxy, and into the epoxy resin, I mixed some mica powder from Crafter's Choice called Super Sparkle Diamond White. So it has a tiny bit of white coloring in it, which is titanium dioxide, I believe. And then it has very, very small, smaller than glitter, but super sparkly elements to it in the mica. And all of that gave me this gorgeous, gorgeous, super sparkly tumbler. I don't know if you can see the sparkles here, but it's just delicious in sparkles. So today I'm putting, now that it's dry to the touch, I am putting a monogram watercolor water slide on it. I got this wreath off of Etsy. It had a Bible verse in it. I used my Cricut Design Space to slice out the Bible verse, and I inserted a giant letter C instead, which is backwards, because I'm going to do the water slide hack that I do, which is to put the water slide on backwards like a tattoo, and then just pull the backing paper off. So I have to mirror any writing that's in it, or anything that needs to be one directional. So I mirror it, and that way when I put it on upside down, or right side down like this, and then pull the backing paper off, it will be a correct facing letter C. C is the beginning of my name, my nickname. So I figured I would use this as a demonstration of a really pretty monogrammed tumbler. And then once I'm done with the main monogram graphic, I am going to cut out some of these other butterflies from the same Etsy artist, and I will use those water slides around the back and bottom of the tumbler just to give it added beauty. I printed this out on my clear matte inkjet water slide decal paper. Again, I'll link it all below. And sealed it 2 layers of Rust-Oleum 2X clear spray, matte or gloss, doesn't matter. And then the final layer was a nice thick layer of the Plastidip glossifier. Again, everything's in the list below in the description box. So I'm going to finish cutting out my graphic here for the front, and I will dip it in the water and we will get it onto the cup. I think you can see that there, and it goes. Instead of poking at it like I usually do, I will use this opportunity to cut out some smaller butterflies. I have my handy dandy squeegee tool, which is a silicone brush. Basically, it's also used for applying resin to tumblers. Oh, there it goes. Okay. There we go. There it is, folks. Yay! Okay. Isn't that pretty? I think that's gorgeous. Whoops. Okay, now I'm going to dry this off. Make sure I squeegee out any. Let's see if I can take you in closer here. want to get out all the water that might be underneath, any bubbles that might be down there. And then I will use my paper towel to dab off, the water. And I'm gonna let this dry completely before I start putting on any of the little butterflies. So I will cut back at that point. You don't have to watch the water dry. This is so beautiful. The last time I pressed down so hard, it actually pulled the sticker off, or made wrinkles. I don't want to do that again. I just want to pat down the water and then let it do its thing. There we go. Oh my goodness, isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. That makes me so happy. So pretty. All right, we're gonna let this dry. I'll bring you back when it's time to put on some little butterflies. Stay tuned. Alrighty, we're back. So on the front, underneath my C, or my monogrammed wreath of butterflies, I am gonna put these two smaller ones from the collection I showed you. And then on the back, I'm gonna put 3 more, and they're not gonna be in line like this. One will be up here where you can't see it, and then I'll space them out. So, just to show you what I'm talking about, I will do these 2 little ones on the front. Okay, I think these 2 are ready to go. Blue one there. I'm facing that way. Like that. And then I'll put the other one down here and have her, because why not, face this way. There, like that. And the small ones are much easier. I'm just going to, again, squeegee. And then pat the water out. And let this side dry. And then I'll turn the tumbler over and do the other 3 off camera. Basically, I'm pretty sure you get the idea by now. And then I will bring you back for the big reveal at the end. And the big reveal is going to be after I place all the butterflies. I will spray seal this. I may use a layer of Counterculture DIY clear cast, or quick cast. No, it's not epoxy. It's a urethane water-based sealer, and it's coming. I have it on order. It should be here tomorrow. That sort of fills in all the little nooks and crannies left by any errant glitter or mica dust. And then I will do one final layer of epoxy. That should be it. I'm not putting my name, I'm not putting a saying on the back, I'm not doing anything else to this. And then this will go in my Etsy shop as a demo model of how beautiful a monogrammed butterfly tumbler will look. So I will bring you back when it's all finished and you can see what it looks like.